Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia L4, and today I will show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, we'll need to open up the Files app, which is right here. And once you're in the app, you want to go to the three bars right here and go to your phone itself. So it's basically a phone icon. And before I begin, I'm just going to capture a single photo so I have something to transfer. So just look for, is that a camera? Yep, there we go. So let's allow this. There we go. So I have now a couple of photos that I can transfer. So going back to files, now I'm already in the phone category. So photos, videos that I have captured with the device itself will be located under the DCIM folder, while pictures right here will contain screenshots that you have captured with the device. Now downloads usually contains stuff that you have downloaded, that'd be through your web browser, email, anything like that, and it can contain all sorts of files, pictures, documents, whatever. All that is downloaded will be here. And then music and movies, stuff like that usually has content that you have placed there yourself. So yeah, now find your files that you want to transfer, which for me I'm gonna use the photos. And once you find them, you can do it in several different ways, but all of them work the same way, just depending how you want to copy it. So hold the file, get selected like so, and then tap on additional one to add them as well. You can also leave tap right here and choose select all if you want to select each file, like all the files, or in a different way, you can just select a folder itself along with all of its content. So because right now camera folder is selected, that includes all the three photos that are in there as well. So you can do something like that. Now once it's selected, again tap on the three dots and you have the two options, copy or move. So choose whichever one suits you. Copy will create additional set of the same files, while move will basically remove it from where it is right now and move it to a new location. So choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with move, and once you tap on it, go back to the three bars right here and choose the SD card. And once you tap on it, you have all the folders that are on the SD card. Now you can drop it anywhere you want. I'm copying right now the camera folder, so if I drop it right here, it's gonna create a new folder called camera. So let's go move. And there we go. I believe now it's gone. So if we go back, where's it? Right here, we should have camera folder, there it is, and three photos in there. So that is how you would move the files. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.